Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is brought to you by RPGSHOW, and I'm going to be showing you this new wig. And as you can see, the color is super bold. I was kind of hesitant, but I ended up really loving this wig. So if you're interested in seeing how this wig performs, definitely keep on watching. Normally, I just put my wigs on and just wear them down because I don't really want to fool with it, you know. But this hairline was just too perfect not to show. So I decided to just do a quick top knot with this wig just so I could show off the hairline like it's a must. This wig is very secure because I used the elastic band that is already attached to the wig. So now I'm just going to spritz some water and, you know, reactivate these curls, make sure it's nice and moisturized, and then it also makes it easier to detangle. Of course, if I detangled on dry hair, then it would just be froed out, which is another style option. Let me know in the comments if you want to see this wig froed out. But today I am going to be activating these curls even more using my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush. You guys know this is like the #1 brush in the world, like, and it's black owned. Like, what? Yes. So yeah, I just added the water and I'm detangling from the ends, and then I just work my way up to the root area. Next, I'm going to be using this Got To Be Glued freeze spray to make sure the lace is very secure on the hairline. I actually like this better than the glue. It's less messy and it has a better hold. So try it. I did nothing to this wig except, of course, I had to wash it and deep condition it. But this wig description, what is this color? This color is so different. It doesn't even have a color. It just says hair color like the picture. I would call this, somebody said, what did they call it? Butterscotch? I think somebody called it butterscotch. So let's call it butterscotch, shall we? But I really do love this color. At first, I did not like the color, y'all. At first, I was very scared. It kind of reminded me of when I dyed my hair, my natural hair. It's like, yes, it's pretty, but it's like, is it for me? It's too bold. That's just not my personality. Like, I like just dark hair. So it's just like a shock initially. So like when I first wore this, I was very like, oh my God. But the second time I wore it, I was like, you know what? This is growing on me. I really like this color. And for this video, I just did a quick bun. Because you guys know I usually just wear my wigs just down and boring, just like I always do. Even like with my natural hair, you guys know I'd wear a puff. And that's all I do. So I just wanted to step outside the box just a little bit and just put a little bun. And I also wanted to do the bun because I wanted to show the hairline of this wig. Like, okay, I'm not like a wig magician or anything. Like I said, I didn't do anything to this wig. I didn't pluck the hairline. I didn't bleach the knots, any of that. I literally just washed and deep conditioned this wig and I put it on. And I used my Got To Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray, my wig on, and blow dried it to make sure it stayed. And I tried not to press my hair down or the wig hair onto my forehead. I just focused on the lace. Like you have to focus on just like putting the lace down. I don't want this video to be too long. I'll put all the specs of this wig on the screen. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just love this hair. Like I said, it reminds me of the other wig that I usually wear. I'll link that one as well. And y'all, if you are craving color, I say get this wig. I really love it. But anyway, that is it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys this wig. And yeah, The lace is really good. I mean, I'm not an expert. Like, I definitely, like, if you get all up on me, you can definitely see the lace, especially where I haven't have any baby hairs really showing, because I'm not really a fan of the baby hairs. I feel like the baby hair trend is so ugh. But I do like having chaos around the lace part. Like, as you can see, maybe you can see, I have like, there is like baby hairs that are just like frizzy right here. I think when you create confusion like that, it kind of masks the lace. So I do like that trend. I just don't like the slick baby hairs, you know. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It wasn't really like a tutorial or anything, because I'm literally doing what I always do, put a wig on. I didn't sew down an elastic band this time. Which of course they do provide for you in every one of your wig packages. You get an elastic band, but I didn't sew a wig elastic band. So thank you guys so much for watching. You make sure you go on their page and like my picture, because they did post me when I first like fell in love with this wig. I took like so many pictures because I was so excited. So make sure you go and show some love, okay? Go show some love. Did I sound like Cardi just now? Yes. Show some love. You guys like doing it this way or this way?